Welcome to the Tom and Melissa channel. A new landmark has risen at the gates of one of Belgium's most beloved wildlife parks, a 28-meter bamboo tower that reimagines how visitors arrive and what a zoo entrance can mean. If you enjoy our videos, then please leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, we thank you for your support. As you approach Planckendael, the scene opens on a tree-lined avenue and the silhouette of a tower rising above the treetops. This new entrance is more than a gateway, it's a deliberate first impression, a moment that sets the tone for the whole visit. The entrance is anchored by a striking 28-meter bamboo tower, the visual centerpiece of a larger redevelopment. The arrival building has been expanded to be twice as wide as the previous entrance, bringing ticketing, an enlarged shop, restrooms, a subscription service desk, a first aid post, and a breastfeeding room together under one roof. The redesign smooths visitor flow, reduces congestion on busy days, and creates a more comfortable, welcoming arrival experience. The project was designed by Sven Mouton of Cru Architecten, who grounded the concept in circular and sustainable design principles. Bamboo was chosen as the primary structural and visual material to reflect that commitment. It grows quickly, has high strength-to-weight ratio, and lends the building a warm organic presence. Used at an unprecedented scale for a European public building, the bamboo tower becomes both structure and symbol. That symbolism runs deeper than material alone. By drawing the eye upward, the entrance invites visitors to look for wildlife from the very first step, mirroring the curiosity and attention they'll bring to the rest of the park. Practically speaking, the new entrance improves circulation and provides more space for groups and queues, while integrating services that reduce friction for families and frequent visitors. It is designed to be welcoming, sustainable, and closely connected to the animals and landscape that define Planckendael. Planckendael itself sits in Muizen, near Mechelen, and is managed by the Royal Zoological Society of Antwerp, the same organization that runs Antwerp Zoo. Conceived as a landscape-oriented wildlife park, Planckendael complements the city zoo by offering larger, more open enclosures and themed continental areas where animals can live in settings that resemble their natural habitats. The estate was acquired in the mid-20th century to give animals more room than a city zoo could provide. And over the decades, it has grown into a park of roughly 40+ hectares that combines conservation, education, and recreation in a largely natural setting. As visitors pass through the new entrance, they step into a space where architecture and nature meet. A sustainable landmark that speaks to local wildlife, park history, and a greener future. If you enjoyed this look at Planckendael's new gateway, stay tuned for more stories about architecture, design, and the places that shape our experience of the natural world.
We want to thank you all for watching, and we will see you on the next episode of the Tom and Melissa channel.